How are we going to fit to this? Do we need the thing? Look. Don't!
Hello, I'm Graeme Meredith, and welcome to Alex and Graeme's video blog.
Hello, and welcome to this week's video blog. As you've already seen at the start of the video, we have actually ADR'd Graeme's voice. But the confusing part is, as of saying this, we haven't done it yet, but we have at the point that you've already watched it, if that makes sense. So this video will show you how we ADR'd Graeme's voice onto that lady's voice. Cool.
I know if I was a girl, I wouldn't really be known as Graeme Meredith.
Oh. How are we going to do this? Want her one first. That's a bit annoying, I have to lose that selection.
Hello. Hello, I'm Graeme Meredith, and welcome to Alex and Graeme's video blog. I'm Graeme Meredith, and welcome to Alex and Graeme's video blog.
You really stumble your words, didn't you?
Okay then, so you've just seen the video. I mean, you saw me introducing the video at the start, and now you've seen how we achieved that. And for a while we did have some issues. We wondered whether or not ADR worked without video, and we couldn't get the time code quite right. And in the end, we couldn't use ADR, we just couldn't work it out. Alex did his best, I sat there twiddling my thumbs.
We did use ADR.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh. Shows how much attention I've been using.
We used ADR, we couldn't get it to loop, to keep doing loop recordings, but we were using ADR Studio correctly.
Let's not have that, let's start again, I won't. Okay, so you've just seen the video of how we re-recorded my dialogue so that I could introduce the video as a very pretty young lady. Whose name I don't know. We did have some problems for a while. We couldn't get ADR to work at first, then Alex sorted it out. But then when we actually did record, although we used ADR, we couldn't get it to loop. And we didn't have the beeps either, so we just had to preview ourselves. I kind of got the gist of it, and we recorded it. Then we used Vocaline to sort out the sync. Now, it turns out I recorded it and I sound like I've had a few. But overall, it's okay. So what we've learnt today is kind of how to use ADR a little bit, but we're not quite there yet. So next week we're going to bring in the video that we were planning to use on our actual assessment, and we're going to try and work it out. All the problems that we've had. But so far, this week, it went alright, I think. We set up fairly quickly. There were a couple of issues with the master fader, and at first we couldn't find the studio mix, but I think it was that somebody else had changed the settings before we got here, and it was just a bit of a mind game at first. But overall, it's been a successful week. So tune in next week for yet more progress.
Hey.
Hello, I'm Graeme Meredith, and welcome to Alex and Graeme's video blog.